What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Thanos as an imposter from Among Us. Let's get started in the center of our page with the top edge of the visor. We start in the middle, start with a curve that goes up, and then we'll bend that down on the outside. Now let's round out the side of the visor, starting back on the left, curve this out, and then back in, go to the top right, and do the same thing. Now let's close off the bottom of the visor, starting back on the left, come down in the middle, and then bend that back up. Let's add that shadow across the bottom of the visor. We start on the top left, curve this down, round out the bottom, and then back up on the right. Let's go to the top right side of the visor and round out the top of the head. We start up here, curve this up, and then bend that down. And then we'll round out the side of the body, starting from the top, curve it out, down, and then bend that in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's go underneath the visor on the right side, come straight down, and then bend that in towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We start back on the left, curve down in the middle, and then back up. Let's go to the right side, come down, and then up, leaving a gap in between the feet. Let's go to the inside of the left foot, draw a straight line going up towards the body, and then we'll curve the body going out, and then hook that up on the right. Let's go to the inside of the right foot, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Let's separate the top edge of the boot. We start on the left side of the foot, curve down, and then up, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now we're going to draw the gauntlet over on the left side of the body. Let's start from the side with a thumb, draw a half circle, going out and then in, and then along the top, we'll close this off with a bracket. Let's move over on top of the thumb, curve the first finger, going up, and then back down, step up, draw the second finger, going up, and then down, and then the third finger, we're going to go up, round out the arm, and then come down towards the bottom of the gauntlet. And then we'll go back underneath the thumb, curve the arm going out and then down towards the same height, and then we'll close off the bottom with a curve, and down and then up. Now we're going to add some detail. Let's start by adding 4 small ovals along the top, starting on the left side. Draw the first one, and then we'll just work our way over towards the right. And then we'll move down toward the center of the hand, draw a slightly larger oval. And then we'll add a trim along the bottom of the arm. Let's start on the left side, curve down and then in towards the oval. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to connect the inside with a curve, coming down and then back up. Let's go back to the left side and add a curve, coming down and then up. Now we're going to move to the center of the visor, step down and draw on the collar. Start with 2 points on either side, and go down and in towards the middle. And then from the top left, curve the collar going out and then up in behind the hand, and then we'll continue up along the outside. Let's go back to the right, go out and then up. Let's go to that bottom point, step down, draw a straight line going across, and then we'll angle up and out towards the side, and then we'll follow that same curve going out toward the left in behind the hand, continue on the outside, go back to the right and do the same thing. Now let's add in the belt. We're going to start on the outside, curve down and in behind the gauntlet, continue along the inside, and then back up on the right, step down and draw that twice. Now we're going to add those wrinkles along the bottom of the visor, starting right in the center. Start with a straight line coming down, move over towards the left, draw that 2 more times, go to the right and draw that twice. And now we're going to add the backpack on the left side of the body. Starting from the top, curve out and then down. Come down towards the bottom, go out and then up. Connect the top and bottom with the same curve of the body, going around and then in. And that's pretty much it. There's our Thanos Imposter from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and check out our Among Us playlist. We're adding new characters every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.